Now, today's episode is for my diabetic journey. And boy, has it been a day. So if you're interested in seeing what happened today, you know what to do. Stick around. Good morning. Here we are at day 13. I'm getting ready to do my breakfast and take my morning medication, and then I'll be out there walking. So when I get ready to go walking, I'll catch you then. Hi guys. This morning you saw me do my breakfast and I was getting ready for my walk. And my husband's basically he fell. His legs are still weak and he's having this calcium buildup and the pain from the nerves, and he fell. So I had to rearrange my plans as a wife should. I made sure he was comfortable and got him breakfast, and I just started cleaning. So I cleaned my family room and got it decorated for the fall. So you'll see that video later on, but I think family comes first. And he needed me, so the walking had to wait for another day. But with the majority of the walking and cleaning and things that went on today, I did get some steps in, but not as many as I would like, but I did get some in, and I'll share that with you here. But I also found out that I have to cook a different diet for him. And let me get the book. Now he has to be on the renal diet. Okay, so low sodium, low potassium, and is healthy for kidneys. And so he's on dialysis. And when I got this book at first, the doctor said he didn't need it, so I didn't cook that way. But now, because of the buildup of calcium in his legs and things that's going on, I am switching his diet to the renal diet, and where I'll be using it too, because I'm not going to be cooking two separate meals. But it does have some very good recipes in here, and they are diabetic friendly because they are low sodium, which is one thing I'm really pushing into. And like they have, I don't know about couscous, but yeah, he is not a couscous person. But I will be cooking some things in here for him. Excuse me, I have my allergy medicine is not doing what it should. They have a vegan side in this one, and like here they have a roasted beef stew, and it serves 6. We don't need that much, and it takes 30 minutes to prepare, and the cook time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So it's basically what I cook. It's got all-purpose flour, ground pepper, a pinch of cayenne, a pound of boneless beef chuck roast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of sweet onion chopped. He's not going to eat onions, so that won't be in there. 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 cup of homemade beef stock. And it gives you the recipe how to make the beef stock, so you won't have to buy it in the store and have something in it that you don't need. It has a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. It has carrots, celery, green onions. It has thyme, cornstarch, and parsley. Basically what I would fix in a diet for myself. And as you see, it has no mention of salt. So all these seasonings that you're putting in here, the herbs and so forth, is your seasoning. So I think this would be a pretty good thing. I have some other recipes I'm looking up, and I'm also going to be cooking this diet and some diabetic meals, so they'll go together because they're also low in sodium, and his has to be low in potassium. So you'll see recipes coming up from this book, and I'm going to be getting some more. And on the website for his dialysis, they have other recipes, so you'll see those come up soon too. And again, if you care to receive my newsletter I send out monthly, where I put recipes in there and other items, please let me know down below. Leave me your email address, and I will add you to my list, my mailing list. So if you would like, I'm going to have my email address come across the screen here, and that way you can email me and say I want the newsletter, and I'll add you on, and that way you can get my monthly newsletter. I send it out for each month. I send it out on the 29th of the month for the following month. Like the one for September has already gone out. It went on the 29th of August. The September newsletter went out, and it tells you things I'm getting into for this month, and I have a lot of tips in there. So I'm working on adding more because I want it to be more fulfilling. So if you're interested in that, like I said, I'll have my email address across the screen where you can email me, and I will see you in the next episode. I did get in a few steps today, but tomorrow hopefully I can push it up. Okay, everyone, here we are tonight for dinner. Now I have 3 pork chops laying here. I'm going to use garlic, and, well, this is the last of that garlic. Some Italian seasoning. It's just the herbs, and then some Mrs. Dash garlic herb. And then for the sides, we're going to have some tater tots and some zucchini, yellow and green zucchini blend. That's going to be fried on the stove, air fryer, and these are going in the air fryer as well. So the oil I'm going to use is canola oil. And you can use canola oil being diabetic. So until my oven is fixed, I will be using the air fryer to cook the meat because I don't like to use the oil to fry the meat. I changed my mind. I'm going to fry the tots instead of waiting. Okay, I have my favorite spatula. It's got like a spoon spatula. I like this one. And then I have my teal tongs that I'm going to use to flip my best to flip the zucchini. I'm letting the oil heat up, and then we'll get started on it. I'm still learning how to cook zucchini, so don't judge me. We didn't eat zucchini growing up. My dad didn't like it, so Mama didn't cook it. I don't think Mama liked it either, because she never said anything about it. So everything is on, so I'll come back when it's all finished. Okay, everything is done. So let me plate it. Okay, here's dinner. Now you wouldn't believe how that garlic, this is dashed garlic and herb, oh, it gives you this taste that's out this world. You need to try it. So here's our dinner for tonight, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.